In this video, we're going to be going over the use of the OptiXTRACT Sample Recovery Aid. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your accessory is plugged into your wall outlet with a provided USB-C cord. You'll then take your pre-prepared centrifugation tube and install it into the vise from the top down in the respective tube holders until it's sitting flush on the top of the LED pipe as shown. You can then adjust the LED dimmer knob to illuminate your tube to the desired intensity for optimal visibility of your bands. Next, you're going to create a needle assembly for the purpose of venting by taking the provided extraction adapter consumable and installing a 1-inch syringe to the end of that piece. You'll then take that assembly and install it into the topmost adapter mount as shown here. You're then going to create a syringe assembly by taking your desired size of syringe, attaching that to the other side of the extraction adapter consumable, and then once again installing a 1-inch syringe to the other side. You'll then install that into the middle adapter mount of the tower. And if you're going to be extracting more than one band, you'll create one more of those assemblies, and we're going to install that in the bottommost adapter mount. At this point, you want to make sure that the bevels of your needles are oriented with the slope facing downward. And if necessary, you can adjust the vertical position of the ends of the needles by loosening the thumb screw on the opposite side of that adapter mount and sliding it up and down and then retightening it. At this point, we're going to insert our needles into the tube by taking the push bar and applying firm and smooth pressure to install the needles into the tube until they're fully inserted. At this point, you can extract your bands, always working from the topmost syringe downward. If you desire to have a little bit more fine motor control over the end of the needle during the extraction process, you can pop that syringe assembly out during the aspiration. And then you can do the same for your bottom syringe. Once you've extracted all your bands, all you need to do is pop each of those syringe assemblies out of the adapter mounts. Rotate your tube with syringe and needles still inside of it, and lift that out of the tube holders to then take to your waste receptacle, where you can remove your syringes and dispose of your consumables per your laboratory procedures.